Project Phoenix is a program that is designed to support kids while they're in high school. And one of the things we want them to be able to have before they graduate is life skills. Mm-hmm. Being able to cook for themselves is a pretty basic skill, but there's a lot of kids who don't know how to do that. So we want them to have a safe environment where they can learn how to cook, they can cook with other people, and it also builds community within the class, which is important because we need kids to be resilient, but we also need kids to be able to work with other kids and get along with other kids.
Absolutely.
And cooking is a pretty fun way to do it because then they get to eat.
Do you want to give me some details about how the students can get involved with this program?
So when they come in as freshmen, we meet with the 8th grade. It's usually Merrill and Webster because they're the most whole of our kids coming in. We meet with the counselors over there. We meet with vice principals over there. Anybody who supported the kids in middle school, we want to have their input on what would be good for them when they come to us. We want to work with kids who can really be successful. They just haven't found that niche yet. And then they can come in here and I can support them. Teachers can support them, and we can have a closer look on how we can do that at a better way.
Great.